Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Meta Quest 3 not connecting to Wi-Fi and how you can easily fix this issue. So if your Meta Quest 3 isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, you can try these steps. First, you can switch to a different network. So you can try connecting to a different network with a stronger signal. If your headset connects to a new network, the issue might be with your current network configuration. Second thing that you can do is you can simply try disconnect and reconnect. So disconnect the network and reconnect and re-enter your password. After that, you can even try to reboot your headset. So you just have to hold down the power button on the right arm of your headset until you see a prompt to reboot. Next, you can download the application on your phone or tablet, then follow the instructions to scan your Wi-Fi and improve your device's performance. You can make sure that the application is up to date. If it is not, then you just have to simply update it, and after that you just have to simply log out of your application and try logging in again. So if you are still having the issues, you can try performing a factory reset on your headset. So these are some of the things that you can do in order to fix the Meta Quest 3 not connecting to Wi-Fi issue. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.